That does make me squeamish.
It would be worse, like 50,000 spiders all in one little area.
That's worse.
See, now it's not too bad. Doesn't seem too bad.
No.
Sorry, that visual.
I'm just wondering how much, if there are honeybees, because then how much honey would be there.
That's a whole
Right.
different job of trying to get that out of there.
It's when you call Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes. Well, speaking of nice, not necessarily what you would describe today's weather as. We're looking at weather that has become stormy in a few places around the North Sound, but also for the South Sound. You can see on the radar, the showers have become very scattered now across much of the Olympic Peninsula down to southwest Washington over Chehalis. But really, a focus was in a convergence zone that was north of Everett, and it's continuing to push a little bit north and east of Everett now. We had a lightning strike earlier just north of Gold Bar, north of Highway 2, beginning to dry out now in some of those same areas that did get some heavy rain, even some small hail with these showers. We also had a lightning strike right over Enumclaw earlier, and then a lot of hail droppings as the showers have gone through areas around Tacoma and now moving up towards Black Diamond. So it's been a somewhat stormy start to the day, and the temperatures have been staying very cool. So when the wind kicks in, it definitely feels cooler. You can see the winds pointing right at each other, these areas between Seattle, Boeing Field and SeaTac, creating what looks like would be in a convergence zone, but it's been moving around a little bit as the strength of the wind changes from place to place. Looking at Everett, Payne Field, a very stormy looking picture here. You definitely had some heavy rain with that convergence zone. And so did Lake Stevens. You got in the midst of some of these heavy showers, and then you got some nice sun breaks too. Now looking right now at Granite Falls High School, in the midst of some rainfall currently, very dark low clouds. You can't see Mount Pilchuck, but you've got sunshine for downtown Seattle. Isn't that always the case when you get a convergence zone or that very heavy band of rain? If you go immediately to the south of it or immediately to the north of it, you get sunshine much of the time, because as the air lifts, it comes back down and it sinks on the other side, on each side, north or south. So 61 degrees now for Seattle. Most of us hovering in the 50s. It's definitely a chilly day, well below normal for this time of year. 60 degrees yesterday for a high. That's been the coolest we've been since May 27th. So this has been some cool stretch of a day that we've got here. And now another frontal system's lining up to come in for our Thursday. Now we'll expect the morning hours to be cloudy, and we'll expect the rain to start increasing on the coast and across the Olympic Peninsula. And then it's really going to increase for all of us through the afternoon tomorrow. Now we also have a wind advisory to let you know about starting at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning for western Whatcom County to San Juans. This includes Point Roberts, because your winds are going to be pretty gusty, gusting anywhere from 35 to 45 miles an hour. But tonight for the lowlands, we've got rain showers, temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, and our daytime highs are once again going to struggle to get to 60 for the north interior. Rain a little more persistent for you for much of the day tomorrow, whereas we're going to have breaks in between, a little bit of a rain shadow, but that won't keep you warmer by any means. We're going to stay in the 50s all the way from Seattle to Olympia, hitting 59 for Olympia. Cloudy with the rain at times on the coast, highs in the mid to upper 50s. The coast will also be windy, but it doesn't quite reach criteria of strength when it comes to the wind advisory for this time of year on the coast. So just know that we will have a breezy day, and rain will increase through the day tomorrow. The heaviest rainfall comes early Thursday morning, and then it changes over to showers Thursday afternoon. Then we get to this great stretch of weather. Sun starts coming out. The mornings may have some areas of cloud cover to start out, but each day we get a little warmer and closer to that 70-degree mark.